Welcome back to Slate Bytes. Today, we're going to look at how to take information from your queries and send them over to Excel using our Excel Live Sync option. This feature streamlines the process to send information from your Slate queries over to Excel and allows for you to refresh that data as you need. We're going to start by having a query. This is a basic query where we're simply returning information about our constituents, including their first and last name and their constituency type. We can see that there's 25,000 rows that are currently being returned. To set up this Excel sync, we need to go ahead and establish permissions that's going to allow Excel to have access to this query result. Clicking Edit Permissions and adding a grantee, we are then going to choose User Token. Let's give it a name and grant the permissions for web services and go ahead and click Save. From there, we need to edit the web service. We're going to select Edit Web Service, select the service type for Excel, and click Save. Now, simply click Excel and choose the service account for the user token that we just created. Grab the URL and copy it to your clipboard. Let's now take a look at it from the Excel side. When you open Excel, navigate to the Data tab. From there, select From Web under the Get and Transform Data section. In the URL input, paste in the URL that you previously copied from your query. Click OK. Go ahead and click Connect. From within the Navigator pane, select the Export option and you'll see a preview of your query results. If it all looks good, go ahead and click Load. And there you have it. Your data has now been loaded in to Excel. Now, let's say you want to make a change to your query. Let's say, for instance, that we want to filter our query results and return only those records that have the alumni constituency type. To do this, let's go back to our query. In our query, let's update the filter and add in an additional filter for the constituency type of alum. We can now see that our results are only 439. This is looking good. Let's head back over to Excel and force the update. Back in Excel, let's again go to the Data tab and now select Refresh All. And we can now see that our rows being returned has been limited to just those with the alumni constituency type. And there you have it, Excel Live Sync. Don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button. See you next time.